So, your futurologists and market researchers have finished their work and have handed you, the CEO, the research data, questionnaire results, focus group ideas, trend analysis, predictions, and what-if situations. Now, it's up to you to make the big decision about in which direction your product goes. First of all, let's look at some quotes from the focus groups.
I like to wear my sports shoes when I'm out walking my dog in the morning.
I bought a pair of sports shoes about 6 months ago, but I seldom use them. I'm just too busy at the office.
These shoes are great for road running, but running through mud or up a mountain? Forget it.
Sports shoes are the perfect thing to wear at the supermarket.
I only wear the #1 brand. I never buy cheap shoes.
Due to the recent terrible weather, I've been going to the gym more often than running in the park. So I'm wearing lightweight indoor running shoes a lot.
I wear my sports shoes for my aerobics class 3 times a week.
Interesting. Now, let's look at the trends. As you can see, total market sales of running shoes to runners has been steady. They're the bread and butter. You certainly don't want to lose this market. Sales to businessmen have fallen slightly, but there's been quite a sharp rise in sales to housewives. What do these figures suggest to you? If you were the CEO, which core market would you concentrate on? Do you think the company needs different kinds of shoes for different markets, or one design that fits all? According to the data, housewives are a strong demographic. Would you take advantage of this and market sports shoes to them? But be careful. You're getting into competition with some of your closest rivals here. Plus, the sports shoes bought by housewives are rarely the most expensive and therefore profitable ones. How about concentrating on the businessmen? After all, they do have a lot of money, and your market share here is quite low. Maybe your company could produce a high-quality sports shoe that would attract them. The only trouble is, the giants of the sportswear industry have pretty much cornered this market. Perhaps you'd just want to concentrate on producing a reliable running shoe for your core market, the runners, and leave the housewives and businessmen to take care of themselves. Well, the problem here is that restricting yourself to only one core market limits your company's potential for future growth. In the end, if you're the CEO, a lot of it is up to you. And taking your company and its product successfully into the future is one of the most difficult things a CEO has to do. There are so many choices and also so many dangers. But with a good market research team, at least you can make that decision with all the facts at your fingertips.